Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur.
List. Oh, tung 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 sahur.
What's up, motherfucker? Today we're back with a tung 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 sahur. Bro, we're the fucking chef. Perfect in the world. Today we gotta cook tung 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 sahur, cupcake and cake. And
oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
fuck is that? We got the marshmallow, black balls.
Bruh.
We got the cream pie shit. Another cream pie. Damn, BBC, damn. Oh my god, bro. I got transparent milk.
Oh.
Who is it? Today, we're gonna show you how we're gonna cook the chicken.
Bro, are you barley na cappuccino? Yo!
The fuck is that?
Put this
Oh, hell no.
Whoa!
Asa yan ah? Guys, where's the
human blender?
Eto, pre.
Hello!
Isa pa! Isa pa!
Walang gawin ako nito. 1 teaspoon.
Water!
Water. Surprise! Dura.
Extra flavor.
Dura. Pelira. Oh, sarap ako ito. Masarap ito. Matamis. Yun o. Hell yeah.
Hindi, ayan nga yan.
Dagdagan o. Ang sarap
Ikaw
naman.
mag-ikot.
Oh shit.
Kanya.
Bro, fuck this guy.
What?
Come. Oh, come. Muna na kayo, bro. India. Wait lang. Oh my god. Ito na yung sinukulis.
May nabula pa.
Dito kayo guys. Ah.
Please, masarap yung cake.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yo! That looks like the hair that I fucked my husband with. Yeah. Delicious! This is tung tung sahur hair.
Drone.
Oh, hell no.
Daily take, bro.
Pretty good.
Ano lagi lang?
10,000 per cell.
Oh.
How about this?
Yeah.
Big black box.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro, we're gonna cook some tung 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 sour cake. It's gonna sound like tung 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 sour cake in just 30 minutes.
Ang kailangan natin?
Nagluluto tayo ng tung tung sahur.
Oh my god.
Bro, look. Yung ipis.
What the hell?
Jimet.
tung 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 sahur.
Ano yan? Meatloaf na may itlog na sa ano?
No, isa tong sour cake.
Yan na yan?
I hate the tung 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 sour shit.
Yo! 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 Pre. Kalma, pre. Di pa natin nakakain cake. Di ka pa suspend itong tong sour.
Happy birthday. Ba't ko ng kanin?
Hindi. No, this is the tong sour cake.
Tung 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 sour cake with hair.
Oh,
Cheers,
shit.
buddy.
Ay, Just eat the tungtong sour cake. Payak na lasa.
Wait! Natugtog sa cake!
Meter. Give me the operator. Nasarapan ba? Tungtong sour? Sino nagsasabi hindi masarap ang tungtong sour cake?
Ngayon ay i-rate natin ang ginawa nilang tungtong sour. Pero bago ang lahat, the biggest tungtong sahur daw ng hunter ng Pinas, balat ng lupa na si Liz. Palakpakan tong putang inang to!
Best cake ever. Ni-eat daw tong tungtong sour cake, bro.
Tungtong sahur!
Man. Gimel.
Watch me beat this game.
Siyempre. Nilag na tabang.
Yo!
Hey, man!
Pakita mo.
Can we answer it?
Yo. Yes.
Oh, what's up, dude? Look at him. He just say nigga.
My husband! How are you?
Your husband make a cake for you, bro.
Look! I made you cake!
Nawala, nanghang.
Guys, brown out ngayon.
Hoy, kasi yung dalawang kasama mo. Kenji. I hate doing this too. Dito pre, tago tayo. Ikaw pre, tago tayo.
Malaking itik to sa Boston Celtics ang pagkawala ni Jason Tito.
Pre. Yo! Bombardilo, krokodilo.
He just killed him.
No, man.
Gago, di ba?
Wait lang, pre. Singga mo. Oh, man. I hate doing this shit, man. Tangilangan to. Yo! Tung sahur. Kenji! Yo! Ay na, pare. Takbo! Bombardila. Bless! Oh, Stop!
Holy f***, what is that?
Yo!
Pamali na ka kanina.
For views, man. Just to celebrate 600 subscribers, bro!